ExactFlat for Rhino. This tool is the entry point into the ExactFlat flattening and patterning workflow. It creates the ExactFlat environment and produces the initial preflatten unoptimized meshes using the preflattening method. It uses Rhino mesh normals to determine the up direction of the pattern pieces. You can show normals using the Rhino.Dir command. To flatten, click the Flatten command in the toolbar. When the Use Source Center for Orientation command line option is set to No, the software will use Rhino's normal direction for the up direction on the mesh pieces. Setting this option to Yes will tell ExactFlat to override Rhino's normal directions and base the up direction off of the center of each pattern piece. To flatten, select your pattern pieces and then press the Enter key. During flattening, ExactFlat will sew your individual pattern pieces together and indicate the cut lines between each piece with a green line. The perimeter of the mesh has no green line to indicate that there are no pattern pieces adjacent to it. ExactFlat will highlight manual cuts automatically. After flattening, most Rhino commands cannot be used at this point until the document has been cleaned using the EF clean command.